Guess it was yesterday when I found you there, alone and wait for you. I feel I should. Maybe just possibly you turn your head, you look at me the way the angels would. I'm about you and I can burn these times and let our souls act out the only way. Under the running sky, cut us fade to the night, holding back this day. Will I have lost myself alone with you? Hold on through. Will I have one who still burns for you? Burns for you. Well, I'm thinking about it yesterday. The sun went down, painting the you lie into the sea. Wish you're next to you, lying there, breathing from my heart and how I feel. Tricky to a distant place, decide is the only one we know feels the same. The moon is up and the sun is up and the sky bleeds over. Our hearts push to stay. Push the tea right now. Will I have lost myself alone with you? Hold on to. Will I have one who still burns for you? Burns for you. Burns for you. Complete me and surround me. In your eyes, you hold me still. Yeah, you gotta believe the hands of love have pushed us, turned us upside down into the sun, into the sun. I have lost myself alone with you. Hold on through. I am the one who still burns for you, burns for you. Yeah, well I have lost myself alone with you. Patrick and I were in the Providence airport standing next to a gentleman who he had like tears in his eyes. He was talking to his wife. They're stressed out that they just dropped off their kid to college for the first time, going to Knoxville, Tennessee. And he looked at me and my son, Jack. I think Jack is here tonight. He's 12. And he looked at me and goes, "Man, you better hold on to these days, bro. It's going fast." I'm like, "I got 3 girls, 2 of them are out of college. So I know what you're talking about." He goes, okay. So for all you people out there who have dropped kids off at college or they're coming back home to live with you again, whatever your case is, or you're here tonight and you're looking for a job at Fairfax County Park Authority, or just for a sound gig, get out here and work. Man, I have so many great memories of being a kid in this park. So I'll get into that soon, but we have a very short set. So this goes out to all the parents of kids sending them off to college, because this one is about my daughter Elizabeth and her heading off to school. She's in grad school now, so here we go. Go on, Eddie. Yesterday's a tough one, is what she said. Hey, Elizabeth, come help me out of bed. Today's the day we're taking off the wheels. Yeah, we're trading in those training wands for steel. It's just you and me, girl, don't wanna let them squeal. Elizabeth, Elizabeth, see you next year. Elizabeth, don't lose yourself. Learning how to fly. Elizabeth, yeah, Elizabeth. Oh, girl, you know the world breaks you down. Dress you up and show you how to frown. You don't always have to let them in. Inside your head and underneath the skin. Just let it go and try to smile again. Elizabeth, we're out of here. Elizabeth, see you next year. Elizabeth, don't lose yourself. Learning how to fly. Leave it all far behind. Elizabeth, you just might find everything looks better when you open up those eyes. See it for the first time. Everything standing right in front of you for the first time in your life. So yeah, I was about 12 years old, sledding on that hill over there when it got nice and snowy, riding my bike through those trails back there, leaving my parents for 5-6 hours at a time, and then playing basketball over on that green court over there every day after school with grown men. It was the greatest time ever in Fairfax County Park. It really was a special place to grow up. We recently had to sell our house here over on Crossman Street. So last year I played a show as sort of a send-off to our home over just through those trees over there. And I don't know if the people who bought the house are here tonight. If you are, yes, yes. Well, you're in a special home. A lot of amazing things happen in that place. So thank you for coming. Thanks for having cute little kids that bought the house. For the first time in your life, seeing everything for the first time in your give it away. Somebody else give it away. Somebody else whenever you get for the first time in your life. Give it away. Somebody else give it away. Somebody else whenever you get for the first time in your life. Whenever you get hard on yourself, give it away. Give it away. Give it away for the first time in your life. Elizabeth, we're out of here. Elizabeth, see you next year. Elizabeth, don't lose yourself. I'm learning how to fly. Leave it all behind. Elizabeth, you just might find everything looks better when you open up those eyes. Elizabeth, Elizabeth, no, Elizabeth. I brought this song to Mr. Eddie Hartness. Eddie from Ohio Hartness back there on the percussion. At your apartment over, I think at Falls Church at your house. And he broke out his drum machine and put this thing down. And I was like, this is my second song. Let's see how it goes. As I lay here in bed, yeah, your smile fills my head. And using this bed to talk to you from a sudden way. It's been weeks since I've seen you last. Yeah, the time away from you, moving too fast. Wishing my summer away, oh, just to see you again. Well, I'm there by your side, looking in your eyes, seeing you with me. What else could there be that could get away? I would be there today, you wearing that smile, haven't seen for a while. Y'all know this one? Haven't. Wake up every day, go through the same routine. I go to work, come home. What does it all really mean? Check the mail, just hoping to find another note from you would ease my mind. It's 5:15. When I can picture you driving home from the same old scene in settle for talking again. Well, I'm there by your side, looking in your eyes, seeing you and me. What else could there be? Could either way, I would be there today. You'd be wearing that smile I haven't seen for a while. Haven't seen for a while. John Redling over here from Hopewell, Virginia. Well, I can picture you now. You're standing outside your house. Oh, the breeze is blowing off the northern shore. Patrick, get on up here. Sing the rest of the song. You long. And I long for the day with no goodbye. Wish I could see you. I'll wipe the tears from your eyes and tell you everything's alright. Lay you down and say to you good night. I'm there by your side, looking in your eyes, seeing you with me. What else could there be? If I could get away, well, I would be there today. You'd be wearing that smile I haven't seen for a while. 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 She's a fine thing and I'm bobbing short story. If these seeds could talk, I bet my bottom dollar I'd be schooled by the scholar. Get the low down tomahawk. Just give me time to develop. We could just slide the seed up. Who would know? She's got a tight front and you see from the rear. Cranberry brother, 5-speed deer. She's a little sister to the take it slow. Take it slow. Take it slow. Got a custom deck of tan, Van Eyck Blue Weiser. It's alive on Memorex. That's an upgrade from the FM converter. Bought with the lifeguard checks. Saving up for a tape of my own. Pop it and hit the road alone. She's got a tight run and you see from the rear. Cranberry bourbon, 5-speed gear. She's a little sister to the back with the turbo. Four-door dynamo. We take it slow. The other charming part about this car was that the gas gauge was always broken. So if you did not write down the mileage when you filled up the tank, you had no idea how much fuel was in this vehicle. So you had to keep that, and the air conditioning was not even an option. So that receipt would blow out the window. And you just, I guess I have gas, I have no idea. Oh, keep an eye on the gauge, it hasn't moved in years. I'd top the tank off if I were you. She's a low-key ride, score some beers, Georgetown 82. Hatchback keggers, never feels like a stranger to me. Feels like a stranger. She's got a tight front end, you should see it from the rear. Very bitter, 5-speed. She's a little sister to the back with a turbo, four-door dynamo. We like to take it slow. Take it slow. Take it slow.
Hey, George. I love The Simpsons.
You guys, thanks for coming. Front row ticks. Seat Geek, how'd you get them? Camped out? Did you know I went to one of my biggest moments. I went to Kentmel Records over there in Springfield, and right there at Backlick and whatever that road is. I rode my bike over there, and I proudly walked up to the record store clerk, who were very intimidating in 1985, 86. You were afraid to present what you might purchase because they'll tell you that's a bad option. What do you buy? Why are you buying that? It's very intimidating for a young kid. And I put the Scorpions Worldwide Live up onto the thing. I was like, I remember reaching, here you go. And the guy goes, Scorps, good call. I was like, yes. Get on my bike and ride home. And then the first part of the when you press play on Worldwide Live on the Scorpions, it's, do you see these microphones? We are recording tonight. And I didn't know they were bringing a full camera crew tonight. Apparently we're making Worldwide Live Part 2, Pat McGee Band Edition. I'm sure that Scorpions will hear of it. So anyway, I had a very diverse musical childhood, so I liked it all. What do we got? Oh, yeah. It's a good call. This is my dad's, he claims we never play this song. My father says, you never play that song. So this one's for my father. And you got a smattering of applause for my father. We had a great morning. We went over to where they're living now, and they have a golf simulator over there. Me and my son Jack went over to the golf simulator, and we were just tearing it up. People that were walking by that thing, maybe they were riding a cart, maybe they were in a wheelchair. They knew we meant business in that simulator. It was awesome. Jack learned how to hold a club properly, and shoulders down, and then through. Us musicians play golf like 3 times a year, so I got a lot of tips from my father. But, yeah. All right. Here we go, Dad. The name of this song, it's spelled out on the album Revel, the Revel album. It's called C Melodic. 2, 3, 4. Side, she knows it well. She's needed some time. Seems she's come and fell. I'll love you. And it's not the same way to look on through. She'll be playing your game. She's wishing, and she's crying now. Oh, she's wishing well. Oh, it seems she knows where she's coming from. Even still, you go. You far from done by singing. And she's wishing. story, now she's down and out. She's perfecting the crowd by singing. And she's wishing, well, she's crying. She's hoping, well,
All right, Dad. Don't say I never played it.
play it again next year if they have us back at Mason District. 2, 3. Oh, the lucky one, they call me Shamrock Spring from year to year. Besides the night without the pressures, sometimes you force the grinning from year to year. Oh, my kids are growing up, folks ain't slowing down, that's not my fear. I'm unfinished, I'm unread, I'm unwritten. Sometimes I'm on everything. I hope I leave these grounds, yeah, before you are, because I'm bound to come on down without my bookends. How many pages of memories can we create to fill up these shelves? It'll never be enough. Just get one more ride on our carousel. Nobody's ever really ready to leave the party early. The Irish burn down the candles, sometimes wait so long. I'm unfinished, I'm unread, I'm unwritten. Sometimes I'm on everything. I hope I leave these grounds before we are, 'cause I'm bound to come on down without my bookend. You're the parent, not the friend, they say. I'll keep all that, but don't tell mine. 'Cause in my folks I've never found a better friend in all my life. I'm unfinished, I'm unread, I'm unwritten. Sometimes I'm on everything. I hope I leave these grounds here before you. I'm bound to come on bound without my bookends. Without my bookends. right on Oak Hill, reaching speeds that gave my mother chills. All around the cut through, I launched myself to space, tires ripping round and round. Oh yeah, we were airborne bound, flying high over rock and stone, and I wouldn't break my bones. Trial by fire is wild. I became a man while acting like a child. Gone by sunrise, back past dusk. It was the 80s, nobody's worried about us. And these Virginia woods, we claimed our ground. 55 stood proud. Yeah, no one did come around. Flying high over rock and stone, and I wouldn't break my bones. Trial by fire is wild. I became a man while acting like a child. Oh, we all moved on from Annandale. Wives and kids even fought wars in hell. Well, I gotta believe these Mason District days set our wills ablaze. Yeah, I hope we knew the way. Flying high over rock and stone, and I wouldn't break my bones. Trial by fire is wild. I became a man, yeah. Ooh, I became a man. Well, I became a man while acting like a child.
Thank you.
Woo. Oh, out when I'm walking, feel like I'm myself talking to the man he's been knocking. Feel around bottles door. Well, all I'm hoping for, well, all I'm burning for, something I've done before, nothing new to me. Came back from thinking, and I found myself wishing on what I was the other way. All the things that I'm hoping for. All right, here on the floor. Something I've done before. Nothing new to me. Can't miss what you never had. 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 Conrad. I came back from thinking and found myself wishing what I was preaching better look the other way. All things that I'm hoping for, they're all right here on the floor. Something I've done before, nothing new to me. Can't miss what you never had. Can't miss what you never had. Can't miss what you never had. Can't miss what you never had.
Thank you.
We're way over time. I'm sorry, Mason District. We're going to play one more song. It'd be ridiculous for us to go into our little pods. And our little ELO pods, and this thing takes off. Wah. Thank you guys so much for coming. Thank you, Fairfax County Parks. Thank Mason District. Any kids want to come play percussion, come on up. Or you can be an adult, too. We will not judge. It's a meet and greet with Eddie Hartness. Who's got all the answers to the questions that at the end? She can really sleep one day. Just how long she's been in. She knows more than you or me. Never think she's wrong. The tables stop serving, pound of silver, oh, bro, so long. You guys can stand up if you want. Dancing is permitted. This is not Footloose. Anybody out there want to help? Rebecca found a clue to life. She was a victim. We are tonight. There's a price to pay when you put on that face. Roll the dice. All right, we got two up here. Let's go. Only soon to realize how the world really ain't that nice. Here we go. You alright? And you okay? Didn't anybody ever give a care of your way? Will you be alright after we go? Won't you tell me someday? Oh, I'll never know. Oh, I'll never know. Oh, I'll never know. This is the part of the show where all the parents are trying to convince their kids to go onto the stage because I saw this band in college, and if you don't take this opportunity to go down there and be a part of the Pat McGee band like I was at Top of the Stairs in Blacksburg, Virginia, you get your butt on that stage, kid. It's okay, kids. Just come over this way. You can stand in the dark. No one will bother you. Here we go. All right. Broken arm and all. This is Alec. Give it up. Just go back there. Eddie will give you something to play with. Nice. Or just jump around. All right, the sheep mentality is taking over. Everybody knows you can't read the writing on the wall, so don't come in. Even you and I know you can't. You don't want to start this thing all over again. Why don't you just drive on down that line? We don't have to let you in. Seem to think you know it all. Let me tell you something. Oh, you can't get anywhere you want. You're alright, and you're okay. Didn't Let's break it down for the kid drum and dance crew. Go on, Eddie. Hey, Rebecca, this is Biden speaking. You're about to land. Come to understand. Here we go. You can stop. All right, you kids. 1, 2, 3. You all jump at the same time. 1, 2, 3. We're doing that over. Ready? 1, 2, 3. God bless America. Give it up for this killer band and these amazing children. We're the Pat McGee Band. We'll see you guys on November 7th at Capital One Hall, but come by and say hello. Grab yourself a hat. One more time, get up for the kids.